Hi, my name is Dana, and if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I've been sort of journaling my weight loss surgery journey here on YouTube. And it's been really good, but I've been mostly focusing on sort of the technical and surgical aspects of the journey. I haven't really talked a lot about the emotional side of it, which can be a big part. Like, for example, the other day I was visiting my mom, and we were out running errands. She was driving, I was in the passenger seat, and we happened to stop off at her work for a quick second. She works at like a big box pharmacy kind of place. And so we pulled off just on the side of the building, quite a ways away from the front entrance, because we were just discussing, what we were going to do in terms of what store we were going to go to next, what errands we still had left to run. And she was just going to run around to the back door real quick to pick up something that she had left from work. Well, as we pull in, and we pull into this parking spot, around the side of the building, some guy, I don't know, I can't tell you exactly how old he was, maybe like late 40s, early 50s kind of thing, comes riding down the parking lot on his bicycle, and he screams at us, "Way to go, make her walk." My mom, fortunately, I'll say, wears hearing aids, and she didn't really hear what he said. She just thought that he was yelling nonsense, and I never told her what he said because it would just make her upset, to hear it, and so I didn't bother telling her. I just played dumb, and I pretended like I didn't hear what he said either. But he was clearly referring to the fact that he thought my mom was forcing me to walk around the building because I'm bigger, and so, it's part of that, like, make her walk, make her get some exercise kind of thing. He has no idea the kind of routine that I'm in right now. I swim at the Y 3 days a week. I work out on, I do like the power walk treadmill thing, like 3 days a week. And I don't know if you can see, it's just behind me back there. It's right in my living room, dining room. I don't hide it. I put it right there so that I have to come home and see it every day and use it. So yeah, that part definitely sucks. And that got me thinking, about how many people on the forums that I read, after they've lost like a significant amount of weight, how people start to treat them differently, and how, they really notice difference. Like, they're getting more job promotions, and, people are more polite and hold doors open for them. And, it got me thinking that I don't know if I want people to treat me any differently. I think that being this size has helped me to see people for who they really are, and helped me to see the world for what it can really be sometimes. And it's not to say that everybody's bad. That's obviously not the case. Like, there's lots of people that see beyond that. I mean, point in case the fact that I've had a healthy dating life. I've had an active dating life pretty much my entire adulthood, and even, from teenage. So I'm not saying that everybody's bad and everybody hates fat people. That's not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is that I'm not sure if I'm prepared to deal with all of the fake niceness that comes from people when you do lose weight. And, they're either more willing to be your friend now because you're skinny, or you get the flip side where they're pretending to be nice to you because you're skinny, but they're kind of jealous and talking about you behind your back. So I don't know. I mean, I'll throw it out to you guys. I don't know if any of you have experienced anything like this, or if it's something that you guys that are pre-op are also thinking about. And yeah, I mean, it's still a positive experience, and I wouldn't change it for the world. But it's these little things that are getting, caught up in my head and I'm thinking about. So I thought it'd be best to make a video and put it out in the world and see what comes back. Okay, thanks. Bye.